Hi everyone, it is me, Jordan Long here. Get the hair on my mouth. And today we're going to talk about why I cough, or, well, coughing in my films. Or, why I cough in my films. And it's like answering the asking thing to why someone sneezes or burps or coughs in their films is a body setup. You have little to no run or lead over it. Really, you don't. All you can really say is you're sorry for it. If it happens in a time and a stead where, it would be wrong for it. But that's about it. That's about it for it. So someone getting irked or angry over it isn't going to make a deal out of it. Come on, be like this. Shit. Don't start. I don't like you coughing in your films, or sometimes sneezing in your films, or sometimes burping in your films. Well, I'm sorry that you get irked or angered over it, but I have little to no run or lead over it. I don't know when it's going to happen. All I can really do is say I'm sorry. And if you don't like watching films where that thing happens, upload live streams or shorts, then go watch someone else's work. Because there's a lot of folks out there that cut that shit out of their films to make themselves look flawless. Alright? Oh, well, you shouldn't be coughing in your films. Why not? Is there some oversight? Some law I don't know about? Oh, it'll just give haters and trolls something to work with. Haters and trolls will seek anything to work with if they want to guilt or shame or, or besmirch or slight someone. They don't need anything. They can come up with shit on their own. And so they do, big deal. I hush and lock them and forbid them coming to my fairway if I happen to seek someone who is. But at the end of the day, I don't really care. Oh well, yeah, and the followership oversight of YouTube or URO or USide, they don't really have a oversight that says no coughing, no burping, and no sneezing in your films. If they did, everyone would be getting flagged for it. I mean, they do have a thing called shocking or dirty or frightening, things. But I don't really think that you could flag a film for that if there was coughing, burping, or sneezing in it. To be earnest with you. Sometimes I cough in my films. Yes, it happens. Sometimes I sneeze in my films. Sometimes I burp in my films. Not as much as I once did, but I still do sometimes. So, yeah. And then you might get someone out there who might say something on the lines of, oh, I can't onlook you or your work because you burped in your film, or you sneezed in your film, or you coughed in your film, or whatever you did, in your film. And well, that's just too bad then, if that's the way they feel. Fuck. Come on. Oh, you know what, Jordan? I don't really think I can onlook you or your work anymore, since you sometimes burp, sometimes sneeze, and sometimes cough in your films. Well, I'm sorry, Sophie, if you feel that way. But that's too bad. I have little to no run or lead over when my body chooses to sneeze, cough, or burp. The only run or lead I have over is where I do it at. But that's it. all I can really say is I'm sorry for it. And if that means I lose onlook from you for doing it, too bad then. It is what it is. You don't like me burping or coughing or sneezing in my uploads, live streams, or shorts. Well, then go watch someone else who skims, cuts, and cleans and shifts all of that out. See, it just started. That's the clearing of the throat. With another body setup. Anyway, if you like this film, then follow me over here at the Jordan Long Fairway. Watch the other film I made yesterday over here. Don't forget to share and playlist this film. Give this film a thumbs up. Give me your thoughts on this film. And when you're following us, if you have not, hit that ringer when you want to be known when the next upload or live stream or short has been done. Alright, that's it. Jordan Long, or Jordan Mulan Long, and I'll see you later. Goodbye. Farewell. So long.